Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mercy, not mercy. 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 Thank you. Thank you. Don't say mercy. Mercy. See you soon, Keda. See you soon. अभी तो नहीं अभी तो see you soon होगा
What is goodbye? Au revoir. Au revoir. Okay, good morning, student. So we are starting our today's class. Okay, so as you remember in yesterday's class, we have placed some symbol like on, a. We have done abiyato. So we have placed this symbol like a chapeau. Chapeau is like a hat. We wear a cap. Same way we have put this abiyato. Okay. So now we will going to learn why we put these symbols in French. So in today's class, we will going to learn les accents, accents. So accent are the symbols which are placed on certain letters in French to change their pronunciation. Les accents. Accent. So in French, we have 5 accents. Okay. So one by one, we will going to learn them. First of all, we will going to learn the definition of accent. So accent are the symbols. Okay. Accent are the symbols. Accent are the symbol which are placed above and below. Okay, so this is the definition of accent. Accent are the symbols which are placed above and below certain letters in French. So in day-to-day life, there are very limited words which we use with accent. So these words we have to learn with the accent. We do not have to create a new word in French language because the words are already there. We just have to learn them. So this is the definition of accent. We have 5 accents in French. There are 5 accents in French. and one by one we will going to learn them. We have first accent, acute. Acute accent. In this, we have to first of all write E and put this accent. Okay? This is only put on E. We will going to write E and then this put this accent. E, then this accent. So now we're going to take some examples. Apple. Apple is school. Then second example. This is elephant. But when we put the accent, it becomes elephant. Okay, this is same as in English, but when we put the accent, it becomes elephant. Elephant. Now we are going to learn second accent. Accent grave. Le accent grave. So name of second accent is grave. And this grave we put on A, E, U. One word we have studied, do you recall? Abhiyato. Abhiyato is see you soon. So you see the A we have done alphabet. A is A. And here we are saying abhiyato. So there is no change on the word due to this accent. There is no change in the sound of letter. Abhiyato. Letter A is also A. Then regle. Regle is scale. Scale or ruler. So this is our first example, second and third. This brow accent we put on A, E, U. 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 U is where? U is where? So this is exograph. This is put on three letters A, E, U. First one we have done acute accent. This is only put on letter E. We have example accord, school, elephant, elephant. Second we have grave accent. This we put on letter A, E, U. Example Obiato. See you soon. Regal. Ruler or scale. Who, where. Third accent we have circumflex. So name of third accent is circumflex. circumflex. Okay, now we will going to see the letters on which we put this accent. A, E, I, O, U. And how we made? We made this like a chapeau, like a head. One line we have to draw here, second line we have to draw here. Now we will going to draw. This is our first line, second line. So now we're going to take some example of circumflex. So A is R. So Aj. No change in the pronunciation due to this accent. Aj is age. Oot. Oot is August. So in this way, we will going to put this accent. Then third example we can take hotel. So hotel. So student, these are the fixed words in French language. So we have to learn these words as it is. So third accent we are doing circumflex. This is put on letter A, E, I, O, U. Here we have examples. Aj. Aj is age. Oot. August. Hotel. Hotel. Oot accent we have Sadai. This is put on letter C. So how we will going to make this accent? This is our line. We have to make C, letter C, then a small s. Again, have a look. C, then small s. This Sadai is only put on letter C. Now we're going to see some examples. Français. Français is French. Français. So the pronunciation is little bit so. So. And the normal is we have done say. A, B, say. And this is so. Second example we have garçon. Garçon is boy. Garçon. So, Sadai. This we put on letter C. And pronunciation becomes so. From, say, French. Garçon. Boy. Grammar. This is put on I and E. So how we will going to make? We will going to write first of all letter, then we have to put two dots. E, two dot. This is put on E and I and E. Now we will going to take few examples. Noel. Noel is Christmas. Noel is Christmas. Then we have mice. Mice is corn. Okay, so we put this grammar to pronounce these two letters separately. In French, what happens? Some letters combine together to make a pronunciation, different pronunciation. But when we are putting this trema, we have to pronounce this O and E separately. No L, Noel, mice. So these are the 5 accents in French. So why we are learning this accent? So that we can pronounce French word easily. We have done presentation, how to introduce ourselves in French. Yes. Okay, as I am introducing myself. Good morning. My name is Deepak. If someone asks me, what is your name? How we will going to ask? What is your name? Where do you live? How old are you? So we have done answers, but we don't know what will be the question. So now we will going to see what will be the question. What is your name? How we will going to ask? So we will going to do ask question in French. So we will going to learn basic question. How we will going to ask question? What is your name? Where do you live? Okay, what is your name? But before doing this, we will have to learn two little concepts. In French, we have tu and vous. Tu. Tu is for friend. This you can relate from a Hindi. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? But in English, we have one way. What is your name? Who is for elder. आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? So you is informal and who is formal. So what is your name? There are two ways of asking. आपका नाम क्या है? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? But in English, we have only one way. What is your name? So first of all, we will going to learn in formal way. Como vous appelez-vous? आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? And this is for elder. Elder, or we can say formal way. Second, we will going how we will going to ask to our friend informal way. Como tu t'appelles? Como tu t'appelles? What is your name? And how we will going to answer? Answer will be the one way. मेरा नाम दीपक है. My name is Deepak. Je m'appelle Deepak. Je m'appelle, then write down your name. My name is. Write down your name. We have just studied the word où. Où means where. Where do you live? Where do you live? So in English, how we will going to say? Je habite Jodhpur. I live in Jodhpur. And in French, we have done also. Je habite Jodhpur. So now we will going to see how we will going to ask question in French. So it is also the two ways, formal and informal, for friend and for elder. Où? Où habitez-vous? This vous we have done. This is for elder, and this is Q. Q for friend. Où habitez-vous? आप कहाँ पर रहते हैं? Where do you live? And to our friend, où habites-tu? तुम कहाँ पर रहते हो? Où habites-tu? So this tu represent tum in Hindi, and vous represent आप. But in English we have only one way. That's why we are learning from Hindi. And the answer will be, I live in Jodhpur. Je habite Jodhpur. Je habite Jodhpur. And how we will going to ask? Où habitez-vous? For elder. And for friend, où habites-tu? And answer will be, Je habite Jodhpur.